Yes, good evening guys and welcome back in Phuket. So this area used to have only a few stalls, maybe about 5 or 6, and as you can see they have expanded it to a full market. Got some perfumes, some people preparing for the night. I know many of my followers are Muslim, so guess what? Most of these stalls are actually halal. Obviously not all of them, because some are selling pork. But if they are halal, you can clearly see it by the Islamic star. Some type of omelette. Look at this. Beautiful. We even have churros.
Yes, churros.
Churros. I think the green one is made from matcha. Some more dessert. I was here just a few months ago and they already changed so much. Almost unbelievable. Got duck noodles, some soup. Not sure what these are. I've seen this in Suratani before. Orange juice. And my friend just bought some longan juice. Was it good? Really nice. What I like here is the people are so friendly. They don't mind you filming. They don't mind you just looking around, not buying anything. I think we're halfway. And we've got some more fried things over here. Fruits. And this is also nice, guys. I really recommend this. It's raw seafood with some type of sauce. And there are also some shops in this area. You can buy clothes, perfumes, sunglasses. But to be honest, I'm not interested in this. I'm not a good talker, guys, but let me know if you enjoy this video anyway. Look at this. One of my favorite fruits. And they're huge. Look at my hand. Halal sushi. Yeah, because sometimes they use pork, chicken, so it's not always halal, guys. Be careful. Beautiful. And this is also new, guys. You can buy some animal food and feed these rabbits. You can even play with pigs. You can also feed them milk. I have to admit, guys, they're quite cute, but I don't want to touch them right now because I'm gonna eat soon. Got some kind of aquarium. Shooting range. And this is the place where I used to exercise, but it looks like it has been taken over by this market. I think these are beef legs. I haven't bought anything, but I'm still enjoying this walk. Kebab, guys. I like kebab. You heard it, guys. He promises the #1 kebab in Patong. Alright guys, I think we're reaching the end. We've got some few loose stalls over here, but I think we've seen it all. Thank you for watching. Ciao ciao.